from Nashville, Tennessee, the home of country music.
All right, welcome to Celebration. All right, let's everybody stand up with me. Let's get this party started.
I am so grateful to be here with you today to talk about communication and communicating with your clients. We are in a communication crisis, and we need better skills. We need better skills to communicate, and we need systems to keep up with that. So in this crisis, though, we need to start with ourselves, because everybody's having this communication confusion, and we can only change ourselves. We can only improve the way we communicate. We cannot improve the way others communicate with us. So I want to put forth to all of you that right now, we are living in an environment where we are all at a 1/3 full stress cup. Let's take a brief look at some of the things going on in your world.
Because we do not want to make decisions for other people. And often when we are doing that, it was generally well intended in our minds. But I don't know about y'all. I've traveled around the world a bunch, and I kind of sat down with some people, and I have realized that the way I view the world and some of the things that I base my decisions on, other people don't have the same thought processes. Imagine that. Other people might think differently. They might want something different than what I would want. Imagine that. So I need to let them tell me what they want and not guide them in a way that I think they might want.
I am one person. I am Monica the person, and I am also Monica the businesswoman, and they are one. And if Monica the person is struggling, Monica the business person is also struggling. You can't separate those. We must be the adapters. The industry is changing. The world is changing. How are you changing, and how are you adapting to serve your client base? I hope that you can take your stress cup and change it.
I have to tell you, being with you, seeing you engage together, I have seen so much uplifting behavior. Y'all have inspired me so much. I've seen you encouraging each other, uplifting each other. I've seen you growing in your excitement for how you're going to build your business and how you're going to serve your clients. You all have been amazingly encouraging to each other. Yes, please give yourself a round of applause. Budget it, earn it, spend it. We need to pay attention to all of those things, and I hope you do it all wisely. Thanks for spending time with me today. I wish you well.